Hello everyone, I am Anirudh and today we are moving on to a new field which is GK. This is the first part. In this video we will be discussing only about the basics, so the topics which we are going to discuss, so you might be knowing about them before. So let's get started. In this video we are discussing about the 7 continents, the 5 oceans, the top 10 largest countries in the world by area and the top 10 largest countries in the world by population. The 7 continents. There are 7 continents in the world. They are Asia, Africa, North America, South America, Europe, Oceania and Antarctica. The top 10 largest countries in the world by area. The top 10 largest countries are Russia, area is equal to 17 million square kilometers. Second is Canada with 9.98 million square kilometers. Third is USA, which has an area about 9.83 million square kilometers. Fourth is China with 9.59 million square kilometers as area. Brazil with 8.51 million square kilometers, Australia with 7.69 million square kilometers, India with 3.28 million square kilometers, Argentina with 2.78 million square kilometers, Kazakhstan with 2.72 million square kilometers, and the last one which in the top 10 is Algeria with 2.38 million square kilometers. So these are the top 10 largest countries by area. The top 10 populous countries. There are about 7.8 billion people on earth today. There are some countries whose population is very high. So we'll be discussing about the top 10 populous countries. They are: first is China with a population of more than 1 billion. Second is India, which also has a population more than 1 billion, but the difference of population between China and India differs about in millions. Third is USA. Fourth is Indonesia. Fifth is Pakistan. Sixth is Brazil. Seventh, Nigeria. Eighth is Bangladesh. Ninth is the Russia. 10th, Mexico. So in this picture you are seeing the top 20 countries in population. The oceans. There are 4 oceans in the world, but many countries recognize as 5 oceans. They are Pacific Ocean, the largest ocean. Atlantic Ocean is the second largest ocean. Third is Indian Ocean. Fourth is Arctic Ocean. And fifth is Antarctic or Southern Ocean. So I hope these topics were easy and you would have already known them before. We'll be covering more topics in the upcoming videos. Stay tuned.